This old guy DIY video falls into the category of effective, but certainly not OSHA approved. This is a technique that I used. I don't suggest that you do it. When you have a situation where you have about a 20-foot tall flagpole and you should have known enough to change the paracord out once a year, and you didn't, so the paracord frays like that and breaks. When it comes time to thread the paracord through the pulley that I have on top of this post, I pull the tractor out, extend the loader fully, lean an extension ladder against the loader, shimmy up there like a squirrel, reach up, stick the paracord through, pull it back down, use whatever attachment technique I choose to use on that particular day, and Old Glory is flying again. So historically, if I change the cord out once a year when I change the flag, everything will work out just fine. In this case, this flag is over at a hot chick's house. When I changed the flag out in November, I should have also replaced the paracord, and I did not. Here we are in February, and I had to do this freelance engineering squirrel shimmy technique. This technique has worked for me several times over the years. I don't suggest that you try it, or you may end up in the Darwin Awards. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please do.